So the next application is parallel data. A serial to parallel converter is used for reconstructing the parallel data from the incoming serial data stream. In this technique, serial data from the incoming serial data stream is given as the input to the demux at regular intervals of time. A counter is attached to the control input of this demux. This counter directs the data signal output of the demux where these data signals are stored. When all data signals have been stored, the output of the demux can be retrieved and read out in parallel. Next, we'll discuss about encoders. Encoders are logic circuits which change a set of signals into a code using a certain logic. It has a set of input signals of which only one line is active at a certain instant of time. Unlike a multiplexer that selects one individual data input line and then sends that data to a single output line or switch, a digital encoder, which is more commonly called a binary encoder, takes all its data inputs one at a time and then converts them into a single encoded output. So we can say that a binary encoder is a multi-input combinational logic circuit that converts the logic level 1 data at its input into equivalent binary code at its output. Generally, digital encoders produce outputs of 2-bit, 3-bit or the 4-bit codes depending upon the number of data input lines. An n-bit binary encoder has 2n input lines and n-bit output lines, with common types that include 4:2, 8:3 and 16:4 line configuration. If a device output code has fewer bits than the input code has, the device is usually called an encoder. Encoder converts the information from one format or code to the another. Encoders are used to translate rotary or linear motion which is nothing but mechanical movements, into a digital signal. This is for the purpose of monitoring or controlling motion parameters such as the speed, the rate, the direction, the distance or the position. Let us see an example of 4:2 encoder. A 4:2 encoder has 4 inputs, Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0 and 2 outputs A1 and A0. The block diagram of a 4:2 encoder is as shown. At any time, only one of these 4 inputs can be won in order to get the respective binary code at the output. From the truth table, we can write the Boolean functions for each output as A1 equal to Y3 plus Y2, A0 equal to Y3 plus Y1. We can implement the above Boolean functions by using 2 input OR gates. The circuit diagram of 4:2 encoder is as shown. The circuit diagram contains 2 OR states. These OR gates encode the 4 inputs with the 2 bits. Let's see what are the uses of encoders. Encoders are very common electronic circuits used in all digital systems. Encoders are used to translate the decimal values to the binary in order to perform the binary functions such as the addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. The other applications, especially for priority encoders, may include detecting the interrupts in a microprocessor applications. Next, we'll study about decoders. Binary decoder is another combination logic circuit constructed from individual logic gates and is exactly the opposite of an encoder. The name decoder means to translate or decode coded information from one format into another. So, a binary decoder transforms n binary input signals into an equivalent code using 2n outputs. Binary decoders are another type of digital logic device that has inputs of 2 bits, 3 bits or the 4-bit codes depending on the number of data input lines. So, a decoder that has a set of 2 or more bits will be defined as having an n-bit code